Hello everyone. I am now on uh, the second story floor of the house, watching over the window on the east side of it. And as you can see, let's see. Um, I don't know if it's very visible for you guys, but the snow still keeps falling. And as you can see, it's so thick now. When I wake up this morning, there was like probably 5 to 6 inches. So that's my neighbor's house. Zoom in. And so this is my yard, the east side of the house. And there's a tree. The big branch that's like on the left side of the tree, it fell 2 years ago because of the heavy snowstorm. So I guess this is gonna be a repeat. I hope not worse. But the snow advisory is still up till 4 p.m. today. So expect more accumulation. On the north side, there's a house there, and the road is right over that way. So it's still gonna be a snowy day. This house is like 102, no, 100 and maybe 4. I don't know, but I know this is over 100 years old house. I don't know if I don't know. Maybe that's the horse. Maybe let's zoom in. See if we can see it. Oh yeah. See those 2 horses in there? 2 or 1? Maybe 1. I'm thinking 2. But that is a pasture of my neighbor. That's my neighbor. That's their house. Greg and Kelly. Okay. I'm gonna go in the yard.